Hey everyone, if you've ever wanted to create your own animated cartoon videos but thought it was too complicated, think again. Today, I'm going to show you how to make professional looking animated videos using AI step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing an AI animation tool. First, we need an AI-powered animation tool. Some of the best options include Animaker, Vyond, and Toonly for 2D animation, or even Deep Brain AI for AI-generated avatars. Pick the one that best suits your needs and budget. Most of these tools offer free trials. Step 2. Writing a script, so you can test them out before committing. Before creating animations, we need a script. Your script should include dialogue, scene descriptions, and character actions. You can write one yourself or use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate a structured script quickly. Remember to keep it engaging and simple. Step 3. Generating voiceovers with AI tools. Next, let's create a voiceover using AI. Tools like Murph.ai, 11 Labs, or Speechify can generate realistic AI voices. Just paste your script, select a voice, and download the audio. This saves you time and eliminates the need for hiring voice actors. Step 4. Creating animated characters and scenes. Now, it's time for animation. AI tools like Vyond or Animaker let you customize characters, backgrounds, and props. Choose your characters, adjust their expressions, and place them in different scenes. These tools make animation super easy with drag and drop features. Step 5. Syncing audio and animations. To make your characters talk, sync your AI-generated voiceover with the animation. Most AI tools have an auto lip sync feature that matches the voice with character movements. Just upload the voice file and the tool will do the rest. Step 6. Adding music and sound effects. Adding background music and sound effects makes your animation more engaging. Use royalty-free music from YouTube Audio Library or built-in sound effects in your animation tool to enhance your video. Step 7. Exporting and editing the final video. Once you're happy with your animation, export your video in high quality. You can further edit it using software like Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut, or even Canva to add transitions, subtitles, and effects. And that's it. You've just created your own animated cartoon video using AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome content. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of animation video you'd like to create next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.